Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! Go! He can't go here. All right, y'all. We finna be playing this scary game where I'm not gonna even try to pronounce it, but it's like Shin something. But I'm gonna put it up on the screen for y'all to see it. So I mean, we should be good. Where am I even supposed to go? The elevator? See right here. Or you can run in this. Oh nah, keep that door open. I gotta get going, cause I know this game don't be playing. Turn. So I'm supposed to be like sitting somewhere or something like.
No.
What's up, bro? Please let me know what I'm. Let me know what I'm doing.
No.
Oh, I'm so confused, bro. Yo, please. Oh. Are you looping? Yo, is he looping too? Does that mean you're here to play the game too? Nah, I wanna play this. Excited. Good, because my sister not waking up. No matter how long I wait. She doesn't seem to open her eyes. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, I might not be here for a long time, Brody. You might got this. Do you know the rules of the game? No, I don't. What is the rules? See something off in the train, turn back. Okay. Alright, bet. Let me see. You want to finish the game? Yes, I do want to finish this. And hit the brakes in the conduction. My bad. I see you at the end then. Well, you better come with me. like, bro. Okay, no, I'm not using this area. Oh, what? You still here, kid? Oh, the kid gone. Nah, I just heard something, I'm not gonna lie. I definitely just heard something. Let me stop. I'm locking. Hold on. This is not scary at all, bro. Like, this is not really scary at all. Like, come on, I'm speedrunning this. Speedrunner. What's up, bro? Speedrunner. Come on. Wait, does it show the number of the card I'm on or something? Alright, I'll be back, y'all. I had to fix some stuff. My thing was bugging. I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh, where's the cart number? Oh, it's right here. Alright, back. Oh, why am I sent so fast? Dang. Oh, what the?
Hi, how are you?
Yo. Oh, nah, B. Hold on. I'm finna get gone. I'm not gonna lie. As soon as I run past his body, I'm gone. I'm gone. Yep, go right in that bathroom. Not even playing. Sorry, I gotta get fast, but I gotta practice. Cause if something chasing me. No, I'm not in this area. I don't know what that even means. I'm not gonna lie. Hold on, yo, cause I'm dead scared right now. Nah, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm not scared at all, bro. Come on. We locked in, bro. I really could just speed run this. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, I'm really man. Wait, ain't I supposed to get to 0? Why the number's going up, actually? Turn back. Wait. Hold on, let me try something real quick. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Wait, what is that? Somebody right here? Yo! What the Oh yeah, now we turning back, turning back. Okay, I see what I'm doing. Now. We in 5. I see that. Look at that. We straight now. Hold on. Oh, I heard a footstep. Yeah, it was mine as well. I'm so scared to check behind me. I'm not gonna lie. I'm finna stop checking behind me. Like, I ain't see nothing right there. I ain't see nothing. Oh, what? There was something in here? Now we back at 6, bro. Are you serious? The thing with this game, well, it makes you like look for the scary stuff. Like, I don't want to see that. I'm not gonna. Is there any things that's weird? Like any eyes on the thing? Like people on the top shelf, something like. Turn back. Oh yeah, nah. We gone. Is it on the side too? Nah, we gone. Nah. Wait, so are you gonna be like running from something? No, that's what I'm saying, bro. Like if we running from something, then I don't know, bro. Alright, it's nothing on the windows this time. Oh. Whoa. Okay. So we making it. Hold on, let me observe from the far back just in case. Cause just look around real quick before I go up there, cause something on the windows, nothing on the windows. Alright, bet. Hold on. At the top. Whoa, what's that on the top? That's something. Nah, that's a suitcase. Alright, we good. Something on the chairs. Nah, we good. I don't think nothing in there. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I think we straight. Hold on. Yeah, I think we straight. Yeah, we good. I ain't see nothing on the chairs or nothing. Alright, we good. I wonder if like these like it's at the bathrooms or something. Like, I don't even know what it is. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Come on, please. Alright, we good. Observe from the back. Pause. But hold on, let me see. So nothing on the windows. Boom. Alright, bet. Some on the top. Nope. Alright, we good, bro. I'm telling you, one of these things is gonna be on the top shelf. I'm not gonna lie to you. Let me see. Not wrong with bro face. Straight, not in the back of us. Nah, it's definitely something here. I'm not gonna lie. It gotta be. Nah. I just making sure I check everything. Nothing on these little ball things. I don't hear nothing. I think we straight with it. Yeah, but we should be straight. Should be good. Alright. Oh. Okay, it's bro. There was something in there? There's no way there's something in there, bro. Bro, what? Oh, Yep. Yo! Nah, cause why she point at me and stop? Did she? I think she point at me and stop, bro. Nah, they can't be doing that, bro. They can't be doing that. Nah, bro. Nah, they can't be doing. They trolling. Hold on. Nah, they trolling, bro. They trolling. I'm looking, bro. I don't see nothing, bro. I'm looking. I'm thinking something gonna be on these white things on these little chairs or something. I don't even know, bro. I think we straight, bro. I don't think nothing in here, bro. Yeah, we should be good. We should be good. We should be good. I really don't like the thing I'm worried about, bro. The thing I'm worried about is like there's something gonna be here. I just lagged on this. There's something in here. Something else is in here, bro. Oh, I'm tripping. But the only thing I'm worried about is them restaurants, but I don't know what them restaurants is for, bro. So while I was editing, I just basically skipped me going all the way back to part 1. Literally nothing happened, so I mean, shouldn't be a problem. I just wanted to make y'all life way easier. Conductor's room. Nah, they finna do something. They finna do something. Let me make sure. I swear, I keep thinking that suitcase is like. Nah, we good though. This is easy though. Hold on, this might be the easiest scare game in my life. Hold on. Nah. Go. Why is it getting closer?
本日は新幹線をご利用いただき誠にありがとうございます。ただいま当列車におきまして
You have stopped momentarily due to an injury. Who's injured? I'm not gonna lie, I'm just going for it. I'm going for the room. I'm going for the room. Don't plan for the train to stop. I'm going for the room. If something crazy, I'm being Usain Bolt.
We have stopped momentary due to an injury. There is no plan for the train to stop.
Is it multiple carts? Yo. Who's in that shit, boy? Shit, buddy. What? Mister, like you made it. You thought this was the conductor? The thing on the floor said conductor's room. Halfway there is crazy. I never special what cart zero you have to go to. Bro, you playing games. Tell me exactly what I need to do. Don't you know Shinkansen of green cars? I don't even know what that mean. I'm not gonna lie. You know where the premium seats are. Oh, bro, I don't know where anything is. If you were an adult, you should know that. Nah, stop before I smack you, boy. No! I'm telling you, you getting a little smart. Getting a little too smart. Hold on, you have to go through the green cars to get to the conductor's room. Green cars. I don't know what green cars is. Duh. Oh yeah, he done. Nah, let me see you again. Let me see you again. If I could fight in this game, you was getting boxed. I'm not gonna lie. By the way, on the green cars, when you find her, I normally go forward instead of walking back.
3回間違えるとお化けが来るから気をつけてね。
And one more thing.
僕はお兄さんを応援してるよ。
What you mean a ghost gonna get me? What you mean a ghost gonna get me? Nah, how about you come with me this time? I'll have somebody by my side, cuz.
ねえ、お兄さん。
So don't tell me there's more. Have you ever wondered why we're here? Yes. Why am I here? Call the police. Never mind.
じゃあまたね。
How you get in there? Like, teach me, bro. I hope the green cars are actually green though. Turn back if no anomaly. Okay. I don't know if it's gonna be an anomaly or not though, so let me make sure I know everything is here first. So let me get like a, hold on, let me get something real quick. Yeah, let me get something real quick.
Frog! You freaky you're a freaky frog!
It's like, no, let me stop. Oh! Wait. He said, turn back if no anomaly. So we going forward. All right, back. Yep. Don't have to tell me twice. Yeah. Like Michael Jackson and I over there. Oh, yeah, nah, we're not doing that. Hold on. What about Michael Jackson? Oh, what's up with you, gang? Hey. Oh. Dang. Oh yeah, let's get right back to it. Cause now my game lagged a little too much, I'm not gonna lie. So it might be something in here. Turn back if no anomaly. Go forward, bro. Why is it? Nah, cause I don't know if that's an anomaly, bro. I really don't know. Oh, wait, we're in cart 7. Oh, I got 2 more mistakes and I'm done. Turn back if no anomaly. This is an anomaly, so we go forward. Right. This should be cart 6.
Perfect.
All right, I get it. So that person is not a, that's not crazy. I guess anomaly is like a difference, but like, all right, bro. Oh well. It's not, it don't look like nothing crazy right here, so we straight. Like this is, like, bro, who are you and why are you just, bro, there's no way you think this is actually like real or not, right? Like this is crazy, this is good. All right, hold on, cause is just something wrong with here, bro? Cause I haven't really been looking at the environment. I'm looking at 2 things, I'm not gonna lie to you. So let me see, something under there, something I need to know before like something on your computer screen, like this text Tokyo. Alright, I think we good. I think we good. Alright, bro. Yeah, we good. Need help with that, Brody?
No!
Need help with a diet plan. Gee. Alright, come on. I made one mistake. Ichi needs. Ichi is 1, right? Ichi needs sign. Yeah, sign is 3. Also, it gave me like a little pass. Why you standing up, bro? Oh my god. You know a lake is near the center, boy. Are you looking at me? What you looking at? Turn back if there's no. Turn back if no anomaly. Oh, I turned back. I'm supposed to go. Oh, I was supposed to go back, not forward. I'm tripping. This is an anomaly though. He shouldn't be standing. Oh, whoa. Go! He can't go here. Y'all don't understand. I'm actually getting goosebumps. Like, can y'all? I probably can't even see it, but I'm getting, bro, that like, yo. Alright, hold on. Guys, sit down, please. Please. Why they say Ichi again, though? So if we green, then turn back. You can't be doing that, bro. Alright, so now we know if he's standing up, dash forward. Dash forward. We not playing. 60-meter sprint. 10-meter sprint, bro. do something. But that bro, he be geeking. Like, oh, what is wrong with bro? Storm on me, so he probably got turned back. You good? Nothing wrong with you, bro? Alright, turn back. Oh, no. Are we green? I think we straight. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. We straight. Yeah, just stay over there, young boy. Not in the computer. Yeah, we straight. We straight. Ichi knee. Oh my god, there was something in there. Yo, knee too. Oh my gosh, bro. What was wrong? I'm not blind, bro. Something on the windows? Like, it gotta be something with this girl though. One time, it gotta be something wrong with her. Like, it gotta be something wrong somewhere, bro. Oh my god, bro. Turn back. No, anomaly. I turned back though. Come on. Y'all ain't see that. Y'all ain't see that. Y'all ain't see that. Wait, what? Seat number what? Please sit at your reserved seat. Sir. Wait. Hold on. I'm about to sit. Oh, I passed it.
Bruh.
Oh, I'm cooked. Wait. Please. No, we're cooked. Yo. Nah, let me just stay in here because now we're cooked. Like, I failed. Like, the ghost is going to come after me. It's just a matter of fact if I can speed past or not. Help me, please. I'm going for it. I don't care. I'm going for it. There's nothing wrong with this. It's not wrong. Come on. Ghost, I got this. It didn't say Ichi Nisa. It didn't say San though. So we might be straight for real though. I already opened up that door though. Hopefully it don't count. Oh, y'all don't understand how scared I am. I'm not gonna lie. Like, just this dark part in this cart area is just making it 10 times worse. I might as well just stop. Wait. You said Ichi too many times, bro. Hold on. You probably said Ichi 3 times now, cause I don't know, just one. No, yeah, and if y'all see me looking over here, this is my other monitor with my screen over there, so like, don't worry about that. Hold on, yo, cause so all right, the lower number's at the top. So if I need to sit at a seat, yep, I'm not even looking. Just go straight in. Yep, there's one, bro. I think it resets, but I really don't know how to beat this one. Why is it so hard? I'm gonna inspect it when bro is not. Wait. She got more food on there, right? I'm tripping. She got more food on there, right? She got way more food on there. Damn, why you so tall though? She got way more food on there. I'm telling you. There's no way she don't got way more food on there. Alright, I'm not gonna pay attention really like right now, but we gonna keep that noted. She had everything was filled up. Oh, don't go there. No. You wanna go back. You wanna say it was nothing. Or she'll be like, all right, we gonna take a gander. We gonna take a gander. Okay. Guess it wasn't nothing right there then. Okay. To Tokyo. 0. 3. I'm taking a mental note, like she got like 3 different apps, so if it's more than, it's filled up. Okay, she look a little different, right? Okay, all right, okay. Yo. I thought my game like crashed or something. Nah, I'm scared to walk through this next door. I'm not gonna lie. I wonder if it like, does it keep if I just go this way instead? Hold on, it do. Okay. 3 web. Okay. Whoa. There's no person there. That's different. So, alright, bet. It's this way. What's up, old man? Just like that. Check the mirrors, check the top. Heading to Tokyo. Did 0? Yep, 0, okay. She got all the food on there. Okay. I don't think nothing wrong with this one. I'm not gonna lie. What's up, old man? Okay. Alright, we good. Good. It's not wrong with this one. We straight. I thought her eyes would glow or something. We good. Yeah, turn back. There's no anomaly. Okay. Finally. Alright, bet. You know, mystery. See, look, I don't know if this is an anomaly or not, but like, is this like, this might just be the area we in. Like, why are we in the sky right now? Hold on. Let me check where we going, bro. We still going to Tokyo? Cause I ain't know this path existed. Food all filled up, face good. Toes right. Whoa. Thought I saw something. I'm gonna just go for it because this is different. They can't tell me it's not different. I don't know if it's just the place, but we're gonna learn right now. Alright, time to just keep going. Cause I'm not looking back. And it was a kid right there. Not even checking it out. I'm black. Come on. Straight through. Okay. Straight through. Not for them playing with me like that. So we got the girl sign is to Tokyo. Not on top, no. Alright. 0. Oh. Three. Alright, bet. 4. Face good. Toes good. Alright. Not wrong. Your eyes Green, yep. Shadow or reflection, good. Boom. I think there's nothing wrong with this one. Where's C6 at? Cause I need to know. Alright, right here. Oh, let's do two different sixes, so alright. Turn back to no anomaly. It's nothing different over there. Not gonna lie. It's not different. Is that over there? Please tell me this was always here, bro. Please tell me that was always there, bro. I don't know if that was always there, like. This might ruin the whole run, but I'm gonna go, bro. I'm gonna go just in case. Please be right. Please be right. Yes. Yes. Alright, alright. This shit, 0 heading to Tokyo. Boom. Reflection good. Top, no eyes on the top. Bottom good. Three files. What was that? Something just flicker? What was that mean? Alright, I gotta get an examination of this girl, so we're gonna get in a light. Okay, got all the food on there, okay. Face, okay. Toes, okay. Alright, your eyes stay green, right? Alright, boom. Okay, okay. The AB is on this side, and the CD is on this side. It's not wrong with this one. Old man trying to still get his luggage up there. Alright, back, we good. Nothing wrong over here. No writing, nothing on the seats or nothing like that. Alright, back. Good, we good. No anomalies, so we should be in the conductor's room, right? Yes, sir. Examination. 02, okay, boom. No eyes at the top. To Tokyo. Alright, we got the good sign. It's 0, 0, 0. Alright, bet. Make sure nothing is crazy around here. Shawty, you got the 3 apps on there, okay. Reflection good. Come on. You already know what time it is. Face good, food good, toes good, okay. Alright, back.
Hell no!
Just keep going, bro. He ain't had that last time. That's all I know. He ain't had nobody else on there. Come on, you beating this game. Something in this game. Something on here. Conductor's room. Alright, we're gonna keep going straight. Nothing else we can do. Let's get to that conductor's room. Oh. Yes, sir. Okay. That's not the end of the game?
No!
What's going on? Turn that button again.
No!
Hold on. Don't tell me we gotta go all the way back now. I mean, the only way we can go is forward, so don't look back. Keep going. Nah, why do you do that to me? All you doing is going straight forward. Turn back if no one on. Just go straight forward. I'm not gonna play. I'm not even playing. Do that mean we have to play the game again, but we just have to make sure there's no different? Turn back. Alright. I'm not going close to the dark. I'm already dark enough. Let's just. Yeah, just go straight. Yeah. Alright, now we just gotta go all the way up to 7 and alright, bet. Goodbye. Guess I got to, cause I think we only can go forward. Bro, my cat is doing something crazy, bro. Nah, my game just spiked. I'm not gonna lie, something definitely better happen. I'm about to happen, I'm not gonna lie. It's a little too quiet. It's a little too quiet, I'm not gonna lie. Wait, hold on, wait. Can I like press the telephones?
No!
Oh, damn. Okay, they don't even got it no more. Alright. It's just raining outside at me. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing right now. So if y'all see me just doing the whole thing backwards, I'm sorry. I'm not going back, so if I had to click a button back then or something, I'm sorry. My game is spiking, bro. Something is happening. I know it. Oh, my PC is just like, oh, on the 7th run. Baby girl. Oh, how old are you? You look kind of young. Not gonna lie.
なるほど。
Okay.
この列車は止まることはなくって、ル
So
ー
the
プしてい
train.
たんですね。
So the train wasn't stopping and it was leaping.
でも、
うん
この列車を止めることができて、
And you managed to hit the brakes and stop
ループ
everything.
もしなくなったってことですよね。
Mm. Everything about this is so hard to believe.
あ
But I guess I have no choice but to
あ、なん
believe.
か
Okay.
違和感、
Yeah, you better believe it.
記憶がない。
Something doesn't
こ
feel
の
right.
列車に乗った覚えはないんですけど。
What you mean you don't remember boarding this train? Now I want to see your brother though. But then look, I'm gonna predict the line. She gonna say, I'm gonna see my brother. You saw your brother. She gonna like, I don't got no damn brother. And then bro gonna start chasing me. Watch, I'm saying it.
それは多分直樹です。
Okay, never mind, never mind.
きっと記憶をなくす前、直樹と一緒だったのね。
I was with my brother before I lost my
な
memory.
んでここにいるのかとか、
He
何か言ってましたか？
Did he say anything about why we're here? No, you didn't see him? Yeah,
そ
where
う
is bro
です
at?
か。直樹を探さなきゃ。ここに来る途
Did
中
you see him
に
on
直
the
樹はい
way?
ましたか？
Did you see him on the way here? Yeah. Wait, here? Not from that the side I came from. No, after I stopped trying. I thought, bro, what? These are the same answers basically. Say this
そう
one.
なんですね。なら列車に乗っている乗客をみんな連れて行きましょう。 直
Okay.
樹は普通車側にいるはずで
He
す。
must be on the other side.
よし、
Okay.
ここから出ましょう。
I bet.
でも、ちょっと待ってください。よく考えたら、
Come to think of
次
it.
にここにまた誰かが来る可能性がありますよね。
Come to think of it.
そんな
Okay.
ことになったらかわいそうです。
What about the people who might end up here in the
この
future?
列車をどうにかした
That's
方
not
がいい
my
んじゃないですか？
That's not my problem. I don't. Y'all better not board the train next time. I'm trying to go. Shouldn't be thinking of a way to end the nightmare. No, no, I don't care. Just get me out of here, please. Like, I'm so serious.
ループする列車。
I wonder, like, look at, pay attention to her
Anime-か何かで見た気がする。
features. Why she's turning into the ghost? Why she turning to the ghost? I saw this in the anime or something.
あ、思い出しました。なんかの番組で、
In the show,
二人で反対方向にすごいスピードで走って、ループを壊してました。
they broke the loop by having two people running to the opposite direction really fast.
どうですか？
All right, yeah. Let me look. Let me go to the exit. Yeah, I'm going to the exit. You go back that way. I don't even want to go
列
that
車
way.
はもうループしていないですもんね。ブレーキを踏んだらループしなくなったんですよね。
Right. The train stopped leaping after you hit the
あ、
bridge.
だったら、一緒に発車させたらどうですか？
So you want me to start this train right back up? Right after I stopped that train? if you don't break a glass window and get out of the train, like,
両端から。
I'm not doing that on both ends.
私は普通車側に行くので。
No. No, I don't want to go back. I'm right here. You go back.
グリーン車側に行ってもらってもいいですか？
I'll go to the normal car side. No, I'll go to the normal side. Yes, I'm sure. Yes.
さっきの話だと、弟は多分普通車側にいると思うんです。弟を任せることになってしまうんですけど。
Can I trust your brother? That's what I want to know. Like how did he skip all these levels? I'm over here suffering.
でも、列車を止めることができたんですもんね。
Yeah, she's right though. I don't want to go back to that, man. I'm not gonna lie.
わかりま
But
し
I
た。
don't want to go all the way down there.
で
All
は
right.
私の弟、直樹のことは任せます。一緒
I
に
bet.
頑張りましょう。急ぎましょう。
Let's
ま
hurry.
たこの列車が動き出してしまう前に。
Who knows when the train will start again? Okay, I bet. All right, shawty. I see you. I see you there. Hold on. Oh wait, it's the same amount of numbers. Someone's chasing me. Alright, we good. Something better pop out. I already know it. Something better pop out. Yo! Yeah, nah, let's switch sides. Let's No. No. Let's switch sides. Please. Something behind me. 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 Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. I'm not even looking. I'm not even looking. I'm not even looking. I'm not even looking. Yo! 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 They trying to play with me. Pause. No diddy. No diddy. No diddy. Go. Go. It's a black man. It's a black man chasing me. Go. Go. Don't look back. 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 Go. 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 Don't look back. Don't look back. Don't look back. Don't look back. Come on. Come on. Yo, why does he get? No. Go. Go. I'm just out, bro. They really turned me into a constant nut. Got me running slow. Y'all can't be doing this to me, man. Please just let me out the train, bro. Please. Please just let me out the train. Can I sit in the seat? I can't even look over the train. I'll leave now, bro.
お兄さん来たんだね。
How are you here? How are you here?
お姉ちゃん起きたんだね。直樹。
Nah, y'all
無事
different.
でよかった。
You're
お
okay,
兄さん、僕はも
I'm
う
fine
大
now.
丈夫だよ。
mister.
そう
That
だ。
is...
お兄さんも一
You
緒
want
に
to
来
come
る
with us? Well, I just want to go. No,
そう
not
で
yet.
すね。来ない方がいいと思います。
What you mean?
なんだか私たちに何が起こったか分かった気がします。
What you mean? I'm coming with y'all. What you mean? I'm
心配しないで
coming.
ください。
Pause. It's okay, mister.
私たちは大丈夫です。
Nah, I'm not gonna be fine. That's why I wanna go with
それよ
y'all.
り、
More importantly,
もう私たちは行きますね。
you have to get home. Okay, so as long as I'm not in this train, we good.
本当にありがとうございました。
Oh, they told me I gotta take the train home. Nah, I'm
Sayonara.
living with y'all. Yo! I'm not playing. Nah. Loading. Who are y'all?
あなたは床に倒れていた。目が覚めてよかったです。
Oh, I skipped in my bed, yo. You were collapsed on the floor.
運よくお医者様が乗っていたんですよ。
Luckily, there was a doctor on board.
軽い静脈血栓塞栓症でした。
It seemed you were suffering a light form of a deep vein thrombosis. I'm sorry. I'll try my best.
エコノミー症候群ですね。
Alright. Or what the Lehmans call it, the comedy class syndrome.
体を横にして足を上げることで良くなったようです。
Lying down and raising the legs seemed to have helped it. Help.
よかったですね。この
You should be thankful he was here.
でも過言じゃないです。 列車が止ま
I
っ
just
て
get out the train, bro.
呼ぶこともできなくて最悪の場合も考えられたんですよ。
It would have taken much longer to get
数
help
分前に起きた人身事故です。
because the train had also stopped while you were
事故
out.
でこの列車はしばらく止まっているんです。
Who that
失礼
is?
します。業務連絡です。事故には若い女性と少年が巻き込まれていることが確認されました。
Oh my! A young woman and a boy were confirmed to be involved in the accident. Over. Oh man, my brother and sister. What's happening? Come on. And then two. Sad reality. So I gotta get another ending. This look peaceful. Shit, I don't want this ending. Dang, what is the ending? One no. Alright, y'all, so this is the end of the video, man. That game was a little bit weird. Not even a little bit. That was a medium level weird. It wasn't even too hard for me because I'm really him for real. Like, no scary game got me for real. I'm telling you. But this is the end of the video, man. I might try to go for the ending one, but I don't know. I might not. Who knows? Alright, y'all, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace, y'all.
Oh, Pierre, you wanna come out here?